you go, birdie. He's behind the desk. Where's she at? Oh my God, he's all tangled up in there. Did he come out?
No.
No, he's tangled up in there in all those wires. Oh, jeez. Oh, he pooped on the wall. Oh, well, he's not going to come out if you're standing right there. I'm going to have to... he wants to go in those green things. Okay, there you go. No. I don't think I'm going to be able to catch him. It's okay. It's okay. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Go that way. No. Max, back up. Oop. Where is he? Stay, bird. No. Oh, there you go. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. There you go. No, no, no. There. No. Come on. There. Yes, yes. No, I told you don't let him go that way. Oh my God, I told you don't let the bird. Now he's in my room. Go. Okay. Did he go yet? No, not this way. You're gonna break your neck. You keep running that glass. There you go. There. Yes! Yay! Oh, thank God.